We think leaders solve quicker. We think leaders inspire. We think all these things about leadership. And why do we think those things? Yeah, that's what somebody told you. That's what the world told you. See, my argument when I work with companies in leadership is the company itself should come up with its own definition of leadership because it's different in every company. There is not one standard version of leadership, but yet that's what we default to. I've worked with a number of companies doing development, and first thing I ask them is, well, how do you define leadership? Because all these companies say, well, we struggle. We can't find people. We can't find good leaders. We struggle with developing leaders. Okay, what's a good leader? Quiet falls over the room. But the company itself has to figure out, how do you define leadership? What behaviors does your organization, because every organization is different. You have different culture, different values, different mission, different vision, and that's awesome. But there should also be then, based on those things, what is a leader in our organization? How do we define it? Because if we can't define it, how do we expect people to attain it? We can't develop people to the leader, the kind of leader we want in the organization if we haven't told them what it is. What do we expect? And on also the other side of that, what won't we tolerate?